Hi. In today's class, we're going to see on PIC programming in assembly level language. Can you guess what it is? This image? Yes, it's a related to assembly level language of a PIC microcontroller. Uh, Introduction to this assembly level language. To begin with the definition, assembly level language is a low level programming language which is used to communicate directly with the microcontroller. Actually, this bridges the gap between human understanding and the machine binary languages. To tell about the characteristics of this PIC microcontroller assembly level language, it is a human readable instructions, need translation into machine language, which is a binary, by using an assembler. Translated programs are called machine level language program. Uh, we'll see on labels. Uh, it acts as a textual identifiers for lines or sections in the program. Must start with a letter or an underscore. The length of this would be a maximum of 32 character. It starts in the first column of the code in the coding. To tell about the instruction on the example, the set of commands written in a specific syntax understood by the assembler. For example, it might be mov, move, add, add, or sub sub extra. Operands, it's like represents the data manipulated by instruction, which can be a constant, variable, or memory address. Directives let be like provide instruction to the assembler, not to the microcontroller. Command section which adds note to the programmer for better understanding. It's like beginning with a semicolon can be ignored by the assembler if on the need basis. Representing number in assembly language. Numbers can be represented in different formats. It can be a binary or hexadecimal or a decimal. Binary used for direct hardware interaction. Hexadecimal is a compact and efficient representation. Decimal, which is commonly used for readability. And the follow we having assembly language elements. With this picture, can you guess what it is? It's a label, right? And the second one, what is this? There's some instructions in the picture, right? So this is a hint for second element of the assembly level language. It is instruction. Third, we have x plus y where the plus has been highlighted here. It is a operator here. So it's like meaning the operands, the third element of assembly level language. Fourth is directives. Fifth is comments. To go brief on the assembly level elements. First, we'll go with labels. It is a textual designation for a line in a program or a section of a program. It starts with a letter or a alphabet with an underline. Its maximum character length is 32 and it would be start with the first column. This is the sample program or example of the first type. Second, we have instructions. A set of commands written in a specific syntax understood by the assembler. Example, we have it can be like mov, add, and subtract and etc. And this is example. Operands, which represents the data manipulated by the instructions. can be a constant, variables, or a memory addresses. Then we have comments. Notes added of a programmer understanding, beginning with a semicolon and can be ignored by the assembler. First, there's directives, which provides the instructions to the assembler, not to the microcontroller. Origin and end or the few instructions operands example for it. To conclude this session, assembly level language provides precise control over hardware, making it essential for embedded systems programming. Practicing and understanding of syntax are key to mastering the assembly level language. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next session.